Sainsbury's and Asda, the second and third largest supermarkets in the UK, plan to merge. As the Competition and Markets Authority, it's our job to find out whether this will lead to less choice or higher prices for shoppers. My team's been working since the deal was announced to gather the information needed to launch our formal investigation, and this is what's called the pre-notification period. Merger investigations are made up of two phases. Phase 1 is an initial examination, and this can take up to 2 months. We look at whether the merger could lessen competition and negatively affect customers. If we don't find competition concerns at the end of Phase 1, we allow the deal to go through. If we do find competition concerns, we can still allow the merger to go ahead if the companies agree to make changes needed to fix the problems we found. If they can't make those changes, or if they don't want to, we move to a more in-depth look at Phase 2. The Phase 2 stage of investigation is led by a group of independent experts who also make the final decision on the merger. During this phase, they look at lots of evidence, gather a wide range of views, and will come to a provisional decision halfway through so they can gather further feedback, and then eventually come to a final conclusion. Firms can also ask to move more quickly to Phase 2 if it's likely that a more in-depth investigation will be needed. This can save time, and it's called the fast-track process. Sainsbury's and Asda have requested this in this case, and we're currently consulting on whether it's the right approach for this case. We're keen to ensure that anyone interested in the case can share their views and provide us with information. And to find out how to do that, you can go to our case page on gov.uk/CMA. In fact, you may even hear from us later in the investigation, since at Phase 2 we often carry out customer surveys. We also contact companies and organisations directly who may have information relevant for us.